Hey, Justin, welcome to ShopTalk. Happy to have you here at our booth, 3723. What are you learning from the industry so far with respect to edge computing and overall infrastructure that probably engages all of the AI that we're doing right now?
Yeah, the physical world is evolving rapidly. And whether you're in retail, consumer goods, financial services, or manufacturing, many customers are facing challenges in how they manage those physical locations. They're becoming digital nodes where I need real-time data and analytics. I want to start to bring in AI or even agentic capabilities at those physical nodes, those digital nodes in the physical world. But I struggle to be able to do that. I'm dealing with data silos, with legacy infrastructure, with technology that's just not keeping up. And we're seeing that a lot here at ShopTalk Spring, where customers want to do agentic. They want to bring in the AI, but they're really challenged on how they can do that today.
So tell us a little bit more about Spectro, what you guys do, what are the offerings, capabilities, etc., that can power up all of this?
Yeah, so Spectro Cloud is a technology company that supports retailers, consumer goods, or in fact, actually any organization modernize their infrastructure. We want to make infrastructure invisible, where you can unify what I do in the cloud on AWS, but also what am I deploying at physical locations on edge devices. And so by creating a unified, deployable offering and platform where I can containerize and modernize my applications and deploy that more readily and more quickly is really resonating with customers to be able to go on that modernization journey and to be faster at how they innovate at scale.
Absolutely, absolutely. So just wondering, give us a few examples where Spectro has done this successfully and how does the future look like in collaboration with AWS?
Yeah, we're resonating across many different industries, but here at ShopTalk, the most relevant ones to kind of highlight today. So first of all, Yum Brands.
Yep.
You know, Pizza Hut, KFC, Taco Bell.
Right.
They're managing thousands and thousands of physical restaurants. That's a lot of equipment, a lot of devices, and a whole lot of data. But they struggled with the ability to respond in the moment.
Yep.
Right? If all of a sudden my drive-through traffic is higher than I expected, how do I respond to that? How do I better manage my inventory or even my point of sale systems at the locations? What a lot of customers also struggle with, particularly Yum, is, you know, if I have 40,000 locations, I don't have IT services and experts at those restaurants.
Yeah.
So if I want to deploy new servers, I have to send people out there, which is a lot of money. But with Spectro Cloud, by modernizing that infrastructure, they're now able to better deploy that at all their locations.
Probably the starting point for everything from a modernization.
I can bring a new server, I plug it in, and I'm ready to run. And now they're able to start to build things like computer vision, like IoT data, AI and analytics. And they did this with zero downtime. So if I lose internet, I'm still operating. They can now modernize from months to days. And they're now able to better deploy 70% faster of these new AI capabilities. And other customers in fuel and convenience, we help them save upwards of $18,000 per location in their hardware and infrastructure costs. And they're now building on top of AWS AI models that they can now deploy into those physical fuel stations day in and day out.
Exciting. I think there's more to come this year, 2026 and beyond. So happy to have you here and
thank you very much for having us.
Looking forward to the partnership.
Yes,
Thanks,
thank
Justin.
you.